be dreaming. I'll 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 be dreaming.
Those of you that might not know, my name is Susan Dentino, and I am Dennis's wife, who is with us in spirit today. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for coming. It means the world to me. A special thank you to our presidents. Where are they? Oh, there they are. John Stewart and Craig Caron. You guys want to take a bow? A huge thank you to the picnic committee. Where are you? If you're anywhere, stand up. Let's give these people a round of applause. I have to share a very funny story with you. Poor Mary here, right? Now, I don't check my email very often, I must admit. And Mary sends me a picture of the brochure that's going out, right? Oh, Sharon?
Yes.
Sharon, sorry, Sharon. So I get this picture, I'm driving, and I go, oh my gosh, they are going to be putting me in how many brochures? And I look awful. I mean, literally, I look awful. So she goes, she's on her way to the, it was me and my husband, and she's on the way to the printer. She actually stopped everything and got the picture that I sent her. So yes, I must admit that picture is probably from the very first picnic we ever had, which we're now celebrating. I think it's our 30th year. So, big thank you again to the picnic committee. I also want to acknowledge the people that are celebrating 30 years. Now, we don't do what we used to do, where we really don't feel like we want to kind of take all your time up doing that. It's a holiday weekend. But this will be like my husband, because he could never read these names. So these are people that have been with us for 30 years. It's Jay Falzone. Oh yes, and Mike Myers is here. How many jokes has he bought? Never an accident in all this time, in 30 years accident free. Lisa Ladd. Where would all of our paychecks be without Lisa Ladd? Is my question. Jean Snyder. Jean, where are you?
Right over here.
Oh, thank you, Jean. And last but not least, Dave Rambluski. A stellar year for both companies, HazMat as well as Kenworth, and I know it's because of all of your hard work. So just know that I appreciate it, and everything is going very smooth. We're going to keep on trucking with both businesses, and now I'll turn it over to Rick. Thanks again so much for coming.
Losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone.
Shake
That's the way every day